साउंड यूज भी नहीं है, कंटिन्यू रहेगी। स्पीकर है ना, तो ऑन नहीं हो सकता, ऑफ नहीं हो सकता। हेलो।
Yes, sir.
ओके।
Yeah, audio is okay, video is okay. कौशिक सर भी आ गए।
हाँ,
वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू। ठीक टाइम पर लॉगिन हो चुके हैं ना?
हाँ जी सर, आपका कौशिक सर आपका ऑडियो थोड़ा सा कम है। एक बार ऑडियो देखेंगे आप अपना कि थोड़ा और बढ़ सकता है।
अब ठीक है?
हाँ, आप थोड़ा बेटर है।
इससे ऊपर नहीं आता यार।
ओके नवीन सर। सो हम लोग
प्लेटफॉर्म में तो और कोई सेटिंग नहीं है ना इस प्लेटफॉर्म में एक ऑडियो को ऑफ करने का?
यस सर। और चैट होगा आपके पास, और एक पोल है जो हम लोगों ने अभी क्रिएट किया है कि थोड़ा जो जो लोग आएंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे उनको थोड़ा सा हमें आइडिया लगेगा कि वो अ, क्या सोच रहे हैं डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में।
नवीन भाई आ गए।
नवीन सर।
सर
ओके सर। बिल्कुल राइट टाइम पे हमारा प्रोग्राम आज शुरू हो रहा है। 4:30-31 हो रहा है और हम लोग बिल्कुल कनेक्टेड हो चुके हैं अपने सारे स्पीकर्स के साथ। तो सर शुरू करते हैं अपना ये जो प्रोग्राम है, जो कि डिजिटल टर्मिनल का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हम लोगों ने क्रिएट किया है चैनल पार्टनर्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। और चैनल पार्टनर्स को डिजिटल टर्मिनल बियॉन्ड द लॉकडाउन करके हमने एक सीरीज शुरू किया था, जो कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक पे हमने हर बार डिस्कशन किया है। और आज का डिस्कशन बहुत ही खास है क्योंकि इसमें हम लोगों ने फायता के साथ जुड़ के इस डिस्कशन को पूरा प्लान किया है, जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है। आप लोग सारे लोग जुड़े हैं और भी लोग जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और फेसबुक लाइव पे भी हमें लोग देख रहे हैं। तो ऑफिशियली हम इस प्रोग्राम को शुरू करते हैं आज। Hello friends, I am Rajiv, founder and digital editor for Digital Terminal. I am pleased to welcome prominent industry leaders, FITA members and entire viewers who are watching this live on our webinar platform and Facebook Live. DT, being a leading tech news platform, has been organizing Beyond the Lockdown webinar series to motivate partners, support the entire ecosystem in this difficult time. With the support of relevant experts and industry leaders, we all have gathered here to discuss an especially important issue again. We are very thankful to all you in taking a time or your valuable time and accepting our invitation to join this very important discussion today. Today, discussion is very special and crucial as this time we have come along with FITA to support channel business across country in this difficult time. Let me tell you first about FITA. Federation of All India IT Association, which is FITA, is a national association or platform representing 29 state level associations and federation. If we count indirect numbers, the associations currently has about 50,000 members who are engaged in computer hardware trade, service providers, or system integrators, or any other IT related business in field of communication and technology business. The association was formed in 2014 to work for the well-being of the channel community. In October 2019, new team members were elected to drive the association's agenda further. The governing body consists of 21 members, and out of that, they have 8 office bearers, which includes president, senior VP, secretary, treasurer, treasurer, joint secretary, and national conveners. So it was all about FITA. We have FITA people with us, very key people are with us. We'll be introducing one by one very soon. So formally, we are here. We all know that current business challenges very much due to COVID-19. After almost 2 months, lockdown was eased and business were allowed by the government by following all safety measures. But the entire market has completely changed now. At this time, partners need our advice and assistance which can support them in planning a better roadmap for business continuity in coming days. Starting digital journey will be one of the key aspects for all partners to counter the existing challenge. Recently, FITA came forward and launched its own e-commerce platform to support channel business in starting their digital story. To discuss this important issue, we have planned our third webinar today with key members of associations. Without further delay, let me introduce to all our speakers for today's DT Beyond the Lockdown webinar series 3. So we have our first speaker today. Our first speaker today is Mr. Kaushik Pandya, President of FITA. Mr. Kaushik Pandya is the president at FITA and playing a very instrumental role in the association. Kaushik Pandya is a successful IT entrepreneur and managing a networking solution and system integration company named Kalp System in Ahmedabad for last 30 years. He is a dynamic business leader with a strong understanding of the market, and he is very key for the association. Sir, I welcome you formally for this discussion.
Thank you. It is my pleasure to be on this platform.
Thank you, sir. I have my next speaker with you, Mr. Devesh Rastogi, who is Senior VP at FITA. Mr. Devesh Rastogi is the Senior Vice President at FITA, playing a very crucial role in developing impactful strategies in the interest of offline channel partner community. Mr. Devesh is leading Devlook Group, which is well-known name across UP in the IT product segment. Under the leadership of Devesh Rastogi ji, the group has grown from strength to strength and currently employs over 300 people across India, across UP. And so I formally welcome you, sir, for this discussion.
Rajiv, thank you for the invite and my best wishes for all the members and all the audience.
Okay, sir, thank you. So we have our next speaker with us, Mr. Naveen Gupta. Naveen Gupta is very well-known person in FITA and he connects very well with all of media personality as well. Mr. Naveen Gupta is the secretary currently in FITA and has led the associations to new heights with his brilliant leadership skills. Mr. Naveen has decades of experience in the Indian IT industry and successfully making Krishna Agency Group, a pioneer firm established in 1964, well known for state-level distribution of IT hardware in Bihar and Jharkhand. Mr. Naveen Gupta regularly pays attention to the grievances of offline channel community to find an effective solution to their challenge. Dear sir, I welcome you on this platform.
Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you very much and best wishes. Namaste.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So we have without further delay, we should now start our discussion on building your own e-store on FITA platform and taking a step further to start your digital journey. So here I would like to make a small note क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमारा पूरे इंडिया में लोग देख रहे हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चैनल पार्टनर्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं इस सब्जेक्ट पे और भी जानकारी लेने के लिए. तो ये हमारा पूरा डिस्कशन 2-3 राउंड में पूरा कंक्लूड होगा. पहला 2 राउंड है जिसमें हम स्पीकर्स से उनकी ओपिनियन जानेंगे. फिर जो लास्ट राउंड है जिसमें हमारा Q&A सेशन होगा. ड्यूरिंग एनी टाइम अगर आपको लगता है कोई सवाल अगर आपके मन में आ रहा है किसी भी क्वेरीज को रिलेटेड तो आप जरूर चैट बॉक्स में आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे राइट साइड में एक चैट बॉक्स होगा जहां पे आप अपना क्वेरीज हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं और हम रिस्पेक्टेड स्पीकर्स के साथ वो सवाल आपके लिए पूछेंगे. हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा उठाइए और अपनी क्वेरीज को जानने की कोशिश कीजिए. हमारी इस वेबिनार प्लेटफॉर्म पे वी आल्सो हैव अ स्पेशल गेस्ट विद अस मिस्टर एस कार्तिकेन हु इज वीपी FITA and also chairman B2B committee in the associations. So to start this discussion, I would like to initiate this with Kaushik, who is Kaushik Pandya ji, who is president for the FITA. Sir, you have been knowing channel partners since long time. बहुत टाइम से आप जानते हैं चैनल पार्टनर्स को और अभी पिछले 2-3 महीने में काफी कुछ बदल गया है. तो how do you see the current situation of entire channel partners? How much have been the suffering so far in these months? Can you brief about this?
Yeah, sure, Rajiv. I hope I'm audible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Things have, as you have very rightly said, Rajiv, that things have changed uh, very largely for every industry. And there is a suffering and there is an opportunity. Both the things are available. So, as far as IT industry is concerned, everybody or all the industries have seen a paradigm shift. We are thinking a change in the mindset of people, and we are seeing the change of people's action taking abilities, and their mode of taking actions have changed drastically. During the lockdown period, our partners have faced a huge channel partners have faced a huge challenge in terms of they carrying the stocks, their payment not getting liquidated, the customers not available, the customers not reaching to them, the entire business coming to a standstill, bank interest continuously going on. Those who are on rent is a rental problem for that. No income generation, whereas the expenses are continuously going on. Those who are into solutions and those who retain a large number of manpower, it was a question, it was a huge challenge for them to how to maintain and how to retain the manpower and how to pay them, during the times of when we do not have any kind of revenue generation practically. So there were a lot of challenges. And these challenges we have minutely studied and we have thought of that this post-COVID situation would give us, a lot of opportunities also. We have seen the problems, but it will give us quite a few numbers of opportunities because IT is one of the industry which is being considered across the world as post-COVID-19 benefiting industry because everything and anything is being migrated from physical arrangements to digital arrangements, may it be a meeting or it may it be teaching or may it be any kind of regular day-to-day operations. Everything. I have seen the bank, not responding to you even by sending a lot of emails, now generating emails on their own, and asking us that boss, please do not come to bank. We will, communicate over the email and whatever the kind of facilities you want, we will provide you all those facilities over the email. Not only that, they have these kind of enablement has been done by most of the industry, and things are getting digitally converted. So industry is seeing a lot of opportunity in this, and to take up that challenge, because we will keep on seeing ups and downs in this post COVID-19 scenario, because when there will be a surge in the cases, you may see a partial lockdown forcefully being affected again, affecting the market again, and different kind of situations may come and go for another months to come. So in those kind of situations, it is always advisable that you extend your reach from physical to digital, even for the IT industry. So usually, yeah, that is the reason why we have thought of this entire platform of enabling each and every industry channel partners of our industry to launch an e-store platform for everybody. So hope I have answered your question properly.
Yes, yes, yes. You talked about many things. Means the challenges what we faced in terms of every aspects. Humanity picked up like the banking issue which we really faced. Very much this affected all of our operations. So you rightly said, sir. It's a really tough time, but we are seeing the opportunities. And lastly, we are here for an agenda. Definitely, we'll be discussing more about that agenda further. Thank you, sir.
True.
So, moving to my next speaker, Devesh sir, this is my query for you. What, according to you, is one of the major challenge for small resellers and retailers as the stores are now allowed to open? आज की तारीख में सबसे बड़ी चुनौती क्या है उनके लिए, जो स्मॉल रीसेलर्स हैं, रिटेलर्स हैं, जिन्होंने अब दुकानें खोलनी शुरू करी हैं या अपना बिजनेस शुरू करा है, तो उनके लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या आपको लगता है फेस कर रहे हैं आज के डेट में?
Rajiv, as we all know, this is unprecedented conditions. Nobody has apprehended such a situation. Nobody has ever perceived it. Everybody is scared. So do I, so do you, so everybody. So nobody wants to go to the shop to buy anything because they are scared. They need the product, as Mr. Kaushik Pandya has said. Everybody needs the IT product today at their home working and for the networking and everything. But they have got a huge scare to not to reach to the shops. So that is the one of the challenge. And in spite of having a demand, footfall is very low in the market. Then lot of market areas, they are under still the containment zone because they have been a clustered area, and market areas they have now started opening for last 2 days. Still problems are there and lot of markets are closed. Another problem what we are facing is towards the logistic. The material which was moved before the pre-lockdown period is still reaching the places or is still lying with the courier. Even today the shipments are made, nobody knows how much time it will take to reach to the shop. That is another problem of logistics. And third problem, which is the largest problem, and what we see is government has to work towards the generation of the demand. And to make the money available is not the only thing. People should have a confidence to spend it. So their customer is having lot of reservations to spending money. You must have seen the newspaper reports. Government of India has got extra deposits of 1.8 lakh crores during the lockdown period. That has never happened. That shows the insecurity of the customer to spend the money. Because whatever surplus they have, they are parking with the bank. So to revolve the economy, and IT is a part of the economy, so it has to be, as a part of the economy, the customer has to come and buy the product. So these logistics, customer attitude, and other positions, these are the real challenges right now.
Yes.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Okay, sir. So you mentioned about all the the key challenges which sailors and retailers are facing. So it's very important to discuss about the solutions which we'll be discussing furthermore. That we have to take the challenges as an opportunity, and we have to find the way to fight this current situation. Thank you, Deveshji. Thank you for answering this. So moving to my next speaker, Naveen sir, I have this query for you. In these months, we know FITA, and I already told about my audiences about FITA. How big is FITA? So in these months, how FITA has come forward to support the partners? What measures you took to ensure that associations are with them in this tough time?
Yeah, Rajiv, thank you very much. For the channel partners for all over India, in the lockdown period, and we saw the very much challenges has gone. So first of all, we have requested our all the national distributors, those who are supplying the materials to the dealer channel partner, कि in the lockdown period, they should not charge any interest from the channel partners, seeing the problem faced by all channel partners as well as the national distributor also. Also, we requested them not to present any check in the lockdown period also. And even if they have presented the check and if it is bounced, they don't charge the bouncing charge also from the channel partner. These were the first steps we have taken in lockdown. Second, we also requested the national distributor that after the lockdown period will be over, your local managers can sit with the local association presidents and discuss about how the outstanding to be collected. It's not the lockdown is over and the same day you will get the payment. So in how period you will get, you have to extend the some days of credit also to sustain the market channel partner. Thirdly, the FATA see one thing that each and every national distributor is charging interest at a different level. Some their distributors are charging 18%, some are charging 24%. So we have requested the all national distributor to keep it as a rationalized after this lockdown period, and when the normal market starts and we start the billing from June, you should charge interest at the rate of 12% instead of 18 and 24%. So one rationalized interest rate to be fixed by all national distributor, 12%. That we have asked. Fourth thing we have done with the OEM also. We have done the meetings with all OEM in June and discuss about the market situation in lockdown. We also requested them that since the lockdown has started from 21st of March and channel partners have not completed their monthly target as well as the quarterly target, so they should get the back end and the actual they have done till the 21st of the March. As well as we also requested the OEM that whatever the pending claims are pertaining to their company, it should be released immediately. So in both the cases, channel partner also we are thankful to OEM also, and they have accepted this request, and they have given the backend also up to the 21st March, and they have made as the normal target as per the actual they have given. The fifth we did when the government of India, the MHA department issued a notice and they allowed to the e-commerce company to sell the non-essential product in all over India, where all channel partners were sitting inside the home and they were not able to do the business. And that time we thought that if e-commerce will start, then they will eat the market of complete IT products, because due to the online business, online education, work from home, people will buy laptop from the e-commerce. So FATA took a very good initiative by writing the letters to Prime Minister, to Home Minister, Commerce Minister, IT Minister, Finance Minister, talking with the officers that this is not doing good. At last, we get the success, and e-commerce was stopped by the government. And today, all the IT dealers in India are getting benefit. As soon as the lockdown over, the sale of IT products started very largely. So these are the few things which we have done in the lockdown period for the channel part. Thank you, Raj.
Thank you, sir. So there are a lot of things you guys did. हमें लग रहा था कि चल सब कुछ बंद पड़ा है, लेकिन एज ए एसोसिएशन आप लोग इतना काम कर रहे थे पीछे से, जो हमारे मेंबर्स को और सबको पता होना चाहिए, जो भी ऑडियंस हमें देख रहे हैं, कि एसोसिएशंस ने इस 2-3 महीने में अपनी पूरी जिम्मेदारी निभाई है और अपने तरीके से हर जो भी आपने पॉइंट डिस्कस किया, बैंकिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो या फिर चैलेंज हो या फिर जो क्रेडिट पीरियड है, चेक प्रेजेंट नहीं करने का, बहुत सारा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है जिसपे आप लोगों ने काम किया, ब्रांड्स के साथ अपने अलाइन किया, नेशनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ अपने अलाइन किया, तो बहुत ही क्रूशियल पॉइंट है। और सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था जो आप लोगों ने ई कॉमर्स को रोका, क्योंकि वो अपॉर्चुनिटी बिल्कुल बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी वो किल कर देते हैं हमारे लिए। सो थैंक्स फायता फॉर टेकिंग ऑल दीज इनिशिएटिव्स and supporting your channel partners. Thank you, sir. So now moving to our next set of queries, which is why we are here. ई स्टोर के बारे में और जो नया प्लेटफॉर्म, जो नया इनिशिएटिव फायता ने लिया है, हमें उसके बारे में और भी जानना है, क्योंकि हमें एज ए मीडिया पता तो चला कि ये अनाउंस हुआ है, बट बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो उस रिलीज में नहीं थी। तभी हमने फायता से कांटेक्ट करके इसके बारे में और भी जानकारी लाने के लिए पूरा जो वेबिनार है डेवलप किया और पूरा कंटेंट तैयार किया इसके लिए। सो उस तरफ हम मूव करते हैं, और ये हमारा जो है ई स्टोर के लिए जो प्रेसिडेंट है फायता के, कौशिक पांडे जी, उनके लिए पहला सवाल है। सर, what is vision of FITA towards enablement of digital platform for its member across India? How do you see this digital story for you?
देखिए राजीव, ऐसा है कि when we came into taking up charge of FITA in October, उस समय we had a very clear vision that what are we supposed to do, and वो जो पूरा vision document हमारा था, I think you must have also received that vision document, because all the media is having that document with them, wherein we have had a very clear understanding and very clear communication to all our partners because understanding the FITA structure is basically that they are the members of FITAs are basically the associations. So no individual is basically a member of FITA, and all the members of the our member associations, we call them an indirect member. So फाइटा हालांकि 5 साल से एग्जिस्टेंस में था, लेकिन फाइटा की जो काम करने की स्टाइल थी और वो काम करने के जो एक्शंस थे, वो एक्शंस लास्ट माइल तक नहीं पहुंच रहे थे, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो कम्युनिकेशन एस्टेब्लिश बिटवीन द एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी ऑफ फाइटा और गवर्निंग बॉडी ऑफ फाइटा एंड द लास्ट माइल. So doing all those things, we have also communicated to FITA that to our indirect members of FITA, that we should be reaching to the last mile for enabling them with different kind of platforms, wherein their business, because our IT fraternity is very huge, and if we talk about across India, हम लोग कोई 25 स्टेट में we have our presence as of now. So if we we've had a clear agenda of uplifting all these indirect members to a kind of level wherein एक challenge हमें जो पिछले कई सालों से दिक्कत दे रहा है, that is fighting with the online platforms. So उसको कैसे meet किया जाए, that was the overall one of the agenda which we had, and we were as FITA were working on this agenda since long. So we decided of floating our own platforms, which are B2C, business to consumer, and B2B, that is business to business platforms. But when this COVID-19 came up, suddenly the situation had changed, and all our indirect members' physical shops came to an abrupt stop. और हम लोग हमारे गोडाउन्स में, हमारी ऑफिसेज में, हमारे शॉप्स में, if we have a lot of stocks even also lying, we were not able to deliver those stocks, or we were not able to even show anything to our customers, those who are willingly, wishingly asking us for any kind of material which is available with them, because they had to work, and once they start working from home, they were lacking so many things, and those things were available with us, but they were available in our physical stores, so they could not be made available to our customers. Although they are our customers, they are dealing day to day with us. They are our length and breadth as far as the customers are concerned, but still we were not able to fulfill their requirements. So within the agenda of FITA, we've added this one more step, which was the need of the day, and that was basically to create a kind of platform which will enable each and every indirect member of FITA to avail an e-store as an extension of their physical store. इसका मतलब बड़ा साफ है कि जो कोई भी बंदे के पास या तो एक ब्रिक एंड मोटर शॉप है, या तो कोई ब्रांड शॉप है, या तो कोई मल्टी ब्रांड शॉप है, या तो कोई ऑफिस है जहाँ से वो IT सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, इन सारी चीजों को फिजिकल मैनर जो वो अभी अपने कस्टमर्स के लिए चला रहा है, उन सारी चीजों को हम एक ई स्टोर प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक एक्सटेंशन के जरिए लाके उनके स्टोर को एक ई स्टोर एनेबलमेंट करवा दें. Giving an example, that if I am owning a physical store in Ahmedabad, and if my customers, because of the lockdown, if they are not able to reach me, they would be in a position to go to my e-store and see what all products I am having, and उसमें से कोई भी एक product इनको 1, 2, 4, 10 जो कुछ भी चाहिए वो they can select from them the list which is available with them, and they can do all the entire transaction from there. So the priority changed, and then we decided that instead of B2C or B2B, let's first have this e-store platform enabled for every indirect member of FITA, जिसकी वजह से उनको एक नई दिशा, एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म, एक नई जिंदगी मिले, and they can extend their reach to their customers 24/7 by 365 days. So उनकी शॉप कभी भी बंद नहीं रहेगी. आजकल के जमाने में हम 8 घंटे काम करते हैं, that is not sufficient. The 67% of Indian population is youth, और वो अपने टाइम से काम करते हैं, वो अपने समय पे काम करते हैं. They want the things available to them on whatever the kind of platform which is accessible to them at the time they want. And if we are not e-enabled and if we do not have the presence of our own stores on e-platform, how do we expect them to come to our platforms and buy the things online? हालांकि वो हमारे कस्टमर है, फिर भी वो हमसे नहीं खरीद पाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा स्टोर ई स्टोर नहीं है. So that is why we have thought of enabling this particular platform, and we are almost through. Within very short time period, we will start onboarding each and every member of FITA on this particular platform.
Okay.
Thanks, Rajiv.
Okay, sir. So the entire intentions and motivation were very much clear by you. Why you started, why you guys thought about this initiative. It's very crucial for the small players who cannot have the vision of, and who cannot own such platform, which is very technically needs very high configuration as well as a direction or team to lead. So really, it's very great initiative that you guys have taken it, and had provided and open your arms for the small resellers who are members of any associations can come and join this platform. So thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing the entire motive behind starting this
My pleasure. My
digital
pleasure.
journey. Moving to my next query, Devesh sir, can you please brief about its the features, what this e-store will have, how the entire process works for dealers who will open a digital store on this platform?
Rajiv, we have got a platform which is ready platform, and we have to enable everybody to onboard it. The first step FITA will be taking in near some time, very near some time, where we will be giving link to all our member associations, which will be distributed towards their members, and just enabling the link, they will get their store on the portal, and then they have to put up a catalog of what the product they have, and FITA is providing the biggest task in that, which is the central catalog, which will be comprising thousands of products from IT field, and dealers just have to select those products into their shop, whatever they have in their. They will get a brandings, they will get uh, payment gateway, they will get the logistic support, and also they will be getting lot of SMB features connected with the portal, which will be apart from logistic, doing their budgeting work, their onboarding process after networking, opening avenues like transport, like uh, what do you say, credit card payments, discounts, cashbacks, EMIs. All these are the features which SMEs are going to get out of it. Then apart from it, they also get a management software called HMRS and inventory management, where they can keep everything in control, and on the single platform they can run their show. So getting a catalog which FITA is providing on their own is the biggest task for any e-store to open, and that's a real serious challenge because as you know, IT products they keep on updating it very fast, and it's a challenge to replace the product with the new models every time. So FITA will be coordinating with all the brands, whichever is possible, to share their products, share their specifications on a standard platform, so that the brand value is not depleted and a standard product is pitched before the customer. Second thing, when you go on any marketplace, your payment is a issue because payment is held by the customers, these platforms. Here, payment is directly going to every store. Whatever order is given to him, payment goes directly to his account instant and at a much cheaper cost than what he is doing today. So it's not only the enablement of the facility, it's also the cutting down of the cost. And going to the broader perspective of FITA as a e-platform, very soon FITA is going to coming on a B2C platform, and these e-stores will be complementing those platforms also. There are lot of benefits, and FITA has got a very inherent strength. We are a family of 30 to 50,000 active stores across India. They have got their own media systems. They have got their own social networking. So, at the best price and with the personal contacts, it works as a movement. So, e-store connected with the B2C is going to be changing the face of entire IT industry on online. Any of the marketplaces, I can tell you very confidently that FITA platforms are going to be real challenge for them. And all the brands we are talking to, they are assuring us for the best support. Another thing, what advantages we are going to get from the FITA E platform is the cost. When you go to a marketplace, you pay a huge cost towards the handling, towards the logistic, towards the number of things. And the average cost come to 7 to 10%. At FITA, we are working towards the cost model of working around 2%. And the fastest delivery possible on e-platform, which will be, we are anticipating 3 to 5 hours to the customer, delivered to the customer. So these are the features which come into the broader purview of the FITA where it is working. And we are going to launch these stores very soon. And all the members, they will be enabled. I think it should not take more than 2 weeks. But a lot of questions are coming towards that. I will address it right now with my thing. It should not take more than 2 weeks to launch it. And it will be a real asset to the every dealer. Thanks, Rajiv.
Correct. Okay. So, means, as per my understanding, it's not so tough task. It's a very easy task. You are sharing a link, and the entire process will start. And it's very easy to have an e-store with all the approach what you are saying in this entire platform. It's very unique, I think, because with so limited cost, and what you are providing is really best. Thank you, sir. So I have, my next question for Naveen sir. Naveen sir, you guys are already working on this, and from last so many months, and now because of the COVID-19, you think that this is the right time to enroll as much as and help as much as partners you can. So, what are your plans? Means how you are, trying to reach out to maximum number of channel partners. What all activities you are running so far to spread awareness about this program? Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, Rajiv. Now
Yeah,
it's
now
audible.
it's
Rajiv, what we are doing to creating the awareness program, actually, apart from the 21 GB members, we have divided the India in a 5 zones, which is the North Zone, East Zone, Central Zone, South Zone, and West Zone. And in each zone, we have appointed one regional vice president as well as one regional joint secretary. So all the presidents of that areas are connecting with this vice president and joint secretary. They are connected with that. And simultaneously, apart from, we have got all the presidents also of the all associations. And after the president, we have appointed, as per the need base of the state, 2 or 3 state coordinators in each state. So now what is happening when FATA take a decision that goes to the regional vice president, regional joint secretary, from there it goes to the presidents, and from president to coordinator, and coordinators, they send straight away to all T3 and T4 partners. So one message goes straight away up to the T3 and T4 partners. So they know about what FATA is doing. Second thing, for this e-store, what we have done, apart from, we have got our own WhatsApp group also, where a lot of members are there, business group, WhatsApp social group, where we are flashing this news. Apart from that, in each state, we are organizing a Zoom meeting with the partners, state partners. Like we have done in the month of May, if I can say that we have done in Rajasthan, we have done in Gujarat, Punjab, UP, South, Karnataka. So where in Zoom meeting, we give a complete presentation of this e-store, how it will work, what the logistic is there, how the payment gateway will work. So an entire presentation we give on Zoom to the members. Recently on 31st of May, we did it for the Bihar and Jharkhand, where more than 200 partners were there on a Zoom. So this types, we are creating awareness among the partners about this e-store. And we are seeing a very huge response from each and every state. that partners are eager to join. Still, we say that we will start this logging after 2 weeks, but from today, from 10 days before, the states are requesting when we can send the list of our members who wants to join this thing. So, of course, it will take some time, but partners are aware, and we are taking all this action. This is the way the entire FETA works, and we create the awareness among them. Apart from that, you people are there. You all IT magazines are giving us importance, and you also are creating even digital magazine. Thanks to you for giving this interviews of Kaushik and all. You are publishing very high on that. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for all your words. So seriously, means all the planning, you already having all the plans with you, and from last so many months you are working. So you counted set of all your plans, which is very important to reach out to the larger audiences. The entire roadmap is there. I'm sure
Yeah.
that these are the time, the 2 weeks time, you will be able to generate more curiosity among the partners, and we'll have a very long-term associations and a large number of associations very soon. And I'm sure that we'll be able to break that news on our platform first.
Correct, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There are a lot of participants who are putting up queries. जो queries हमारे पास और भी आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे queries speakers देख सकते हैं हमारे chat box में आए हैं. So उस query को लेने से पहले मेरा एक query है कौशिक सर से, जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं. सर, ये एसोसिएशंस एज ए एसोसिएशंस, वो भी लीडिंग एसोसिएशंस, इतने बड़े एसोसिएशंस को आप लीड कर रहे हैं, तो आने वाले टाइम में कितने टाइम तक आपको लगता है, क्योंकि आपको कुछ तो आइडिया होगा, एक तो अनसर्टेनिटी कोविड का है जिसके ऊपर हम कुछ भी बात नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम एक नॉर्मल लाइफ ऑफ कोविड के साथ जी रहे हैं, तो आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगी? ये ई कॉमर्स तो एक हो गया, उसके अलावा और क्या क्या कुछ चीजें आएंगी जो कि जितना लॉस हुआ है पिछले 3 महीने में पार्टनर्स को, वो कैसे कंपनसेट करेंगे? कुछ और स्ट्रैटेजी पे आप काम कर रहे होंगे, एक क्विकली अगर आप बता दो तो फिर हम क्वेरीज ले लेते हैं.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि वी आर सीइंग, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड अर्लियर आल्सो, दैट आई एम पर्सनली सीइंग, एंड इवन एट द FITA level also we are seeing lot of opportunities coming up, because there are lot of digitization happening. बहुत से प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे अब तक डिजिटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं था, उनको अभी डिजिटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट करना पड़ रहा है. ऑन FITA's प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे ही हम ये ई-स्टोर वाला एनेबलमेंट खत्म करेंगे, वी आर डायरेक्टली टारगेटिंग टू कम अप विद B2C प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल द FITA members. That will be a common platform for everyone, and it will be a marketplace kind of model wherein everybody can sell in anywhere. जैसे Amazon काम कर रहा है या जैसे Flipkart काम कर रहा है, उसी तरह के FITA का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म होगा which will give a head-on fight, one-on-one fight to all these OLS platforms as far as IT products are concerned for the end users. So ये एक roadmap में already है हमारे पास, and we are working very rigorously on this. As soon as we are done with this, we also have plans to come up with B2B platforms. जो B2B platforms में हम business to business opportunities across the India cover करेंगे, और उसमें we will also try to generate few more opportunities जिसको अभी discuss करना is immaterial. Creating that platform with a very different kind of style, कि जिसकी वजह से सारा ही operation of the business on B2B platform would be changed. So that's what our target is. So at least ये first 1, 2, 3 steps तो हमारे पास already planned है. I think 6 से 8 महीने या कम से कम 10 महीने इसमें निकलने हैं. उसके बाद we also have further more plans, but it's too early to discuss on those plans as of now. But let me add up here as a president of this federation that we have floated a 5-point agenda for FITA, that is flourish, knowledge, network, strength, and protection. So we are working on all these 5-point agenda for the entire IT community. That is, I am repeating it: flourish, knowledge, networking, strength, and protection. हमारे जितने भी actions होते हैं, वो all these actions, are neatly integrated with all these 5-point agenda, and they are specifically derived and driven for the betterment of IT fraternity across India. Thank you, Rajiv.
थैंक यू। थोड़ा आगे का जो आपका प्लान है उसको बताने के लिए हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और क्यूरियोसिटी रहेगी पार्टनर्स में कि और क्या क्या करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि अभी के टाइम में लोग अपने चैलेंज को खत्म करने के लिए एसोसिएशंस या फिर ब्रांड्स या फिर गवर्नमेंट की तरफ देख रहे हैं, और बीइंग एसोसिएशंस ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी और हम सबकी एज ए कम्युनिटी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम इस टफ टाइम में उनको हर तरह का सपोर्ट दें जिनकी उनको जरूरत है। थैंक यू सर। देवेश सर, क्वेरीज लेने से पहले मेरे पास आपके लिए एक सवाल है कि आपने फ्रंट के बारे में सब कुछ बताया इस पूरे स्टोर के बारे में, लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट हु विल मैनेज ऑल दीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, हु विल मैनेज ऑल दीज डेटा व्हिच वी विल बी गेटिंग थ्रू ई स्टोर एस्टैब्लिशमेंट? इफ यू कैन क्विकली आंसर दैट।
Yeah, Rajiv, there are two ways to look into it. One part is the catalog and the product, which the FITA will be supporting. As I told you, we will have a central catalog. Then there is a facility of having his, for every storekeeper to have his own products and services to be loaded. Like whatever is not available in the central catalog, and somebody is having his own brand, or every shopkeeper has got a different type of services being offered. That part, that shopkeeper will be handling. He will be enabled to load any kind of services, any kind of products which are not available on the central catalog. So this includes all services in IT, like networking, like repairs, like maintenance, like AMCs, apart from the hardware. So these two parts goes on the members part and the FITA part. Other part is the management of a software that is done by a company called Digivation, where we have entered into agreement. And this is quite reputed company, and they have got number of engagements on this and quite a good credibility on that part. So they will be supporting the onboarding and the operational part of the payment and other SMB features which I told you. So entire operations will be divided into two parts. FITA and members will be handling the logistics, this product part, and the operational part will be done by the Digivation software. They will be providing the product platform.
Okay, 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 sir. Thank you. So
Thank you very much.
नवीन सर, हम लोगों को क्वेरीज आप देख रहे हैं कितना मिला, लेकिन एक क्वेरीज जो है वो इन्होंने पूछा है कि क्या बैंक मतलब बैंक से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेरी आया था जो मैंने भी देखा भी था। तो ओके, मिस्टर संजय अग्रवाल ने पूछा है कि देयर एनी टाइप ऑफ एसोसिएशंस विद एनी बैंक टू प्रोवाइड लोन्स एट स्पेशल रेट्स स्पेशली फॉर न्यू कंपनीज। संजय अग्रवाल भी द कंपनी की तरफ से ये सवाल आया है। कुछ ऐसा प्लान
देवेश जी आप आंसर करेंगे?
सर, जो बैंकिंग है आज की तारीख में वो एसोसिएशन के कहने पर तो नहीं चल सकती. There are number of MSME features and we are all covered into under MSME now. As a trader or as a enterprise, we are all covered into MSME. So putting up a project and for putting up or having a working capital for the shop, one has to follow the MSME guidelines. But as far as the e-store is concerned, we are creating a banking tie-up where the EMI will be facilitated for the customer through some vendor or number of vendors. We'll have options on that, and that feature will be enabled in the shop.
Okay, so means you are answering one of the queries Mr. Dinesh Babu has done. Is there any EMI with KYC? So means yes, there is the EMI option will be there. Right, sir?
Right.
Okay, sir. Sure, thank you. So, taking up any other question. So if you can see, there is a query from Supreet Singh. He's asking, our pricing are much higher. How is it going to be 60%, 70%, or 80% sale or big billion sale? Means he's trying to ask about the larger e-commerce platform, what they do, and what we'll be doing. So then there is no competition because they give much of discounts, and also I think this is queries for any of you can take it. So please.
Kaushik bhai, should I take it?
आप ले
I'll
लीजिए.
just, yeah. See, the e-store, as told in the initial remarks by Kaushik Bhai, is an extension of your shop. It will run the same way, same pricing, same model as you are running your shop. It is just the enablement for you to run your shop 24 hours a day, to reach out a better customer audience, to have a better display, and in a single catalog, you are showing all your services and products, which physically, when customer visits your showroom, you are not able to show that. So these are some advantages on the e-shop. And if you go for the broader perspective, the B2C platform, what we are coming with, will be addressing the same all these questions what Mr. Supreet is asking for. And I'll just go a little beyond the question. See, every company, every vendor is a commercial organization, and they have got their way of businesses. We had the business going for till the last 5 years back, and we were doing almost 100% of the IT business. In last 5 years, lot of disruption was done because of the predative pricing from the e-commerce platform. And when somebody is putting a money on the product, vendors were attracted to it. So FITA is taking a challenge to provide a solution to vendors also, where a solution is going to be more viable for the vendor than the being offered by the Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce platform. So when you provide a better solution to the vendor, obviously you get a better support from the vendor. So as I told you earlier, we are targeting the total cost of e-commerce platform marketing at 2%. Our members are not going to pay any commissions to the FITA. FITA is a non-profit organization, so they will not be paying any commissions. Only the expenses running for the portals they will be charged, as decided from time to time from the members. But we are sure of providing a very viable solution to the vendors, so they are more attracted to us. And even our members who are selling the product on online in a marketplace, they will get a better offer in FITA platform, so they will not be interested in participating on the other platform. Thanks, Rajiv.
Okay, sir. So I think
सर राजीव, इसमें एक चीज मैं बता देता हूँ राजीव जी कि ये जो ई स्टोर है, आज क्या है, कस्टमर अगर कोविड में आपकी दुकान पे नहीं आ रहा है तो कम से कम उसका कस्टमर उस दुकान का बना रहेगा, वो ऑनलाइन चेक करके भी ऑर्डर दे सकता है। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा फायदा हो कि आपके कस्टमर किसी और ई कॉमर्स पे ना जाके आपकी दुकान के बने रहें कम से कम।
ये बहुत ही वैलिड पॉइंट है। इनफैक्ट कि प्राइस और उसकी तो बात की बात है, जो प्राइस की बात हम बाद में करेंगे, बट ये सबसे बड़ा है कि आप अपना रेगुलर कस्टमर को जोड़ के रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और थ्रेट की वजह से नहीं आ रहे हैं।
हाँ, नहीं आ रहे हैं, या फिर हो सकता है कि वो ऑर्डर दे दे और बोले मैं रेडी करके रखो, मैं आऊंगा डिलीवरी लेके चला जाऊँ, दोनों चीज हो सकती है।
तो इसको एज एक कमर्शियल प्लेटफॉर्म ना देख के सारे व्यूअर्स को शायद ये चीज समझ में आ रहा होगा कि एज ए कमर्शियल प्लेटफॉर्म ना देख के ये एक सॉल्यूशन है जो कि फाइता ने हम मेंबर्स को दिया है, हम डीलर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को दिया है कि आप पीछे ना रह जाएं इस डिजिटल की जंग में। और आई थिंक कि बहुत लोगों को ये क्लियर हुआ होगा, जो कि ये सवाल कर रहे हैं कि प्राइसेस और ये सारी चीजें, ये तो एक टेक्निकल चीज है। जो आप ब्रांड्स के साथ काम करेंगे तो ब्रांड्स के साथ आपके रिलेशन अच्छे हैं तो डेफिनेटली आपके पास वो प्राइस आएगा जो कि और अमेजोन या फिर फ्लिपकार्ट वो नहीं बेच रहे हैं। तो डेफिनेटली आने वाले टाइम में बहुत रेवोल्यूशन लाएगा ये प्लेटफॉर्म। नबील सर, एक क्वेरी आया है, वो क्वेरी ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जैसे स्टोर का नाम अगर वो चूज करेंगे, सतपाल सिंह ने पूछा है शायद, आई हैव वन क्वेरी, हाउ इट विल वर्क इफ आई हैव माय ओन डोमेन, विल इट वर्क अंडर माय ओन डोमेन? मतलब नाम के ऊपर है कुछ, ये कंपनी का नाम है और वेबसाइट है, तो ये कैसे वर्क करेगा? तो क्या पूरा वो तरीका होगा स्टोर का नाम देने का?
इस पे देवेश जी बता देंगे अच्छे से। देवेश जी, सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
As I told you, we are providing a link. Link carries the name of a store, like abc.fita.com or something. But if any of our brother members are having their own website, the store can rest over there, and we'll have a link from that store, like abc.com has got a link enabling them to go to e-store. So there are two ways of doing it. One is a e-store link which FITA will be generating. That will be individual URL for each and every store. Other will be option to have your own web page, and from there you can provide a link. So both the options are available to all the members. Thanks, Rajiv.
Okay, so means as per my understanding, once the company has a website, that can also be included in the e-store. आप जो लिंक देंगे उससे उस लिंक को बिल्ड करा जाएगा उस पेज पे, उनके वेबसाइट के डोमेन के पेज पे, और अल्टीमेटली जो है ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म आपका आगे यूज होगा उस सेल आउट में, करेक्ट सर?
Right. Right.
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू सर। अच्छा, एक क्वेरी जो किसी ने पूछा है, हम लोगों ने सारी बातें करी, बहुत कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हमें कुछ डेमो चाहिए, तो एक शायद हमारी इस डिस्कशन का एक सजेशन मे बी हमारी तरफ से आपके लिए होगा कि हमें इसका डेमो बना के यूट्यूब पे रख देना चाहिए, कि बहुत सारा क्वेरीज जो आ रहा है वो उससे सॉल्व हो जाएगा। आई एम श्योर कि आप लोगों ने भी प्लान किया होगा, और डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा लिंक आएगा जो मेंबर्स को और आसान कर देगा इस पूरे प्रोसेस को समझना।
कौशिक भाई?
Yes, this can be done definitely, और वो हम करेंगे। हमारे पास फिलहाल हम इसकी पूरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग देने के लिए एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना रहे हैं, that will be available very shortly, so which will be circulated amongst the media also, and it will be circulated amongst all the indirect members, which will give more clarity and more in-depth understanding about what are we planning. लेकिन आपको एक मोटा मोटी क्लैरिटी यहाँ पे दोबारा देना चाहूँगा कि एज ऑफ नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज एन एनेबलमेंट ऑफ योर फिजिकल स्टोर टू एज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ योर फिजिकल स्टोर टू एन ई स्टोर। फिलहाल हम कोई B2C या Amazon और फ्लिपकार्ट जैसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म बनाना नहीं चाहते। आपका ही स्टोर डिजिटली एनेबल होगा और वो वेब के ऊपर रहेगा। आपकी वेबसाइट पे उसका एक बटन होगा, अगर आपकी वेबसाइट है तो, नहीं है तो आपकी इंडिपेंडेंट लिंक होगी, जो लिंक से आप आपके कस्टमर्स को कह सकते हैं कि भाई साहब ये मेरा ई स्टोर है, इसके ऊपर मेरी सारी प्रोडक्ट्स लिस्टेड है, यू प्लीज विजिट माय स्टोर। वहाँ पे आप आपकी सारी प्रोडक्ट्स लिस्ट डाउन कर सकते हैं जो कि नेशनली अक्रॉस द प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल है। वहाँ पे आप अपनी खुद की कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स अगर सेपरेट स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट्स है तो उसको भी लिस्ट डाउन कर सकते हैं। अदर देन दैट, इफ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग सम स्पेसिफिक सर्विसेज तो उसको भी आप लिस्ट डाउन कर सकते हैं। सो एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग व्हिच यू आर डूइंग एज ऑफ नाउ एज अ कंपनी, वो सारी चीजें वहां पे ई स्टोर पे आप उसको एज एन एक्सटेंशन वहां से करेंगे, ताकि वो चीज आपके कस्टमर से मिस आउट ना हो, और वो आपका कस्टमर 24 घंटे 7 दिन और सारा साल भर कोई छुट्टियां बगैर आपके स्टोर को एक्सेस कर सके और आपकी सर्विसेज और आपकी प्रोडक्ट्स का फायदा हो।
Rajiv, I just add on it. We already have a YouTube channel, FITA YouTube channel. So whatever presentations have been given to different states are available over there. So for the broader understanding, there are almost 2 hours presentation on with each association, and they are available on FITA channel on YouTube.
Okay. So means anybody can go and Google it on YouTube. YouTube पे जाके फायदा का चैनल ढूंढेंगे तो सारे जो भी डिस्कशन अभी तक हुआ है एसोसिएशन मेंबर के साथ, वो सारी डिटेल्स हैं जहाँ पे आपको और डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी हमें।
जी, राइट।
ओके।
कम से कम 10 घंटे की मटेरियल वहाँ पे अभी ऑलरेडी लोडेड है, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड हैव अ लुक एट ऑल द आइटम्स।
ठीक है सर। तो काफी जो है उस YouTube लिंक से काफी जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि YouTube हमें चाहिए, तो उनको ये आंसर मिल गया होगा कि YouTube पे जाके आप फायदा के पेज पे जाएं और उनके वीडियोस को देख के और भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं। कौशिक सर, एक दो यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है कि बहुत लोग रेडी हैं, कह रहे हैं कि आई वांट टू ज्वाइन, बहुत लोगों ने लिखा है, तो आप क्विकली एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, एक तो प्राइसिंग के बारे में भी किसी ने पूछा है कि एनुअल है, मंथली है, तो आप क्विकली आप अगर इस चीज के बारे में बता दें कि कब उनको कैसे किनसे कांटेक्ट करना है। आपने ऑलरेडी बताया है, आप सबने बताया है, बट हम साइन ऑफ करने से पहले आप एक बार फाइनली अगर अपने वर्ड्स दे दें कि किनको कांटेक्ट करना है और कब से हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और कुछ कॉस्ट के बारे में अगर बता दें तो, कि कॉस्ट के बारे में भी किसी ने पूछने की कोशिश करी।
देखिए, फाइटा के लेवल पे हमने ये जो मूवमेंट इनिशिएट की है, हम इसको मूवमेंट कहते हैं, हम इसको एक मुहिम कहते हैं, मिशन फॉर फाइटा। वी विल एनेबल ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर ऑफ फाइटा टू हैव देयर ई स्टोर। उसके लिए हमने हमारे जो खर्चे हैं उसको मीट करने के लिए वी हैव केप्ट अ वेरी नॉमिनल फीस। वो फीस में हम 1000 रुपीज फॉर द ऑनबोर्डिंग चार्जेस, जो कि वन टाइम है, जो एक्चुअली 2000 रुपए है, लेकिन पहले जो 5000 मेंबर्स आएंगे उनके लिए इट विल बी 1000 रुपीज। इट्स अ 50% डिस्काउंट फॉर देम। So it will be practically 1000 rupees, and there will be a subscription charge of 1000 rupees. So onboarding fees अगर आप निकाल दें तो साल की सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस ऑफ 1000 रुपीज मीन्स कि आपकी महीने भर की कॉस्ट आपके ई स्टोर की कोई 85 रुपए 85 रुपीज होगी. So it's a nominal cost which FITA is charging to you for the recurring cost which FITA will be incurring to serve the members, indirect members, for enabling their e-stores and for their continuous services for in future coming years. So ये हो गई कॉस्ट की बात, and it is a negligible cost क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में अगर एक कोई छोटा सा फैमिली 3 लोगों का या 4 लोगों का अगर एक मूवी देखने भी चला जाता है तो 2000 रुपये आराम से निकल जाता है. So for anyone who is doing IT business and would like to establish their e-shop, उसके लिए 1000 रुपये की कॉस्ट महीने भर की is peanuts and it's negligible. So that is what we have proposed, and it is approved also and endorsed also by our governing body. So ये even we are communicating to all our member associations also, and everybody is aware of this also. So आपके माध्यम से भी ये चीज क्लियर हो जाती है. दूसरा जो आपका पॉइंट था कि ये कब तक होगा, तो we are already under the process of the nitty-gritties to be resolved with the service provider, and I think within another coming 2 weeks time we should be able to start onboarding the members. मेंबर्स को ऑनबोर्ड करने के लिए उनको अगर इंटरेस्ट है इस काम में तो उनको हमारे साथ ई स्टोर प्लेटफॉर्म पे जुड़ने में इंटरेस्ट है तो उनको अपने लोकल एसोसिएशंस को कांटेक्ट करना होगा. FITA की फंक्शनैलिटी हर हमेश उनके लोकल एसोसिएशंस के थ्रू ही चलती है. So those who are interested will have to reach to their local association and register their name as the aspiring party for enablement of e-store for their business. So उस हिसाब से लोकल एसोसिएशन से हमारे पास वो डेटा आएगा और या तो हम लोकल एसोसिएशन को कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, उनके जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं वो मेंबर्स को एक लिंक देंगे हम, वो लिंक के थ्रू उनको ऑनबोर्डिंग कराया जाए. तो वो सारी मैकेनिज्म इज ऑलरेडी सेट एंड वी वंस वी फ्लोट इट विल बी इमीडिएटली ऑन रोल. एक छोटी सी चीज ऐड कर देता हूँ कि कोई भी बंदा अगर कोई भी कंपनी अगर इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपना ई स्टोर एनेबल करना चाहेगी तो इट विल बी अ मैटर ऑफ फ्यू आवर्स फॉर देम. इट इज दैट इजी. और हम लोगों ने उसका प्रपोजिशन इस तरीके से वर्कआउट किया है कि कोई भी कंपनी कोई भी छोटा सा मेंबर इनडायरेक्ट मेंबर अगर अपना ई स्टोर एनेबल करेगा तो घंटों भर में मतलब 5-6-4 घंटे में उनका काम तमाम मतलब they can finish all the tasks of setting up an e-store over the platform and they will be on up and running within these limited period of 4 to 6 hours. So there are a lot of things. I think within next 15 days we should be up and running with the e-store platform. So
कौशिक जी एडजस्ट करें.
राजीव जी इसमें एक बार मैं और बता दूं आपको क्योंकि ये ई स्टोर में क्या होगा कि आईटी इंडस्ट्री में हर 2 महीने में कैटलॉग चेंज हो जाते हैं या 1 महीने में प्रोडक्ट चेंज हो जाती है. तो इसमें रेगुलर हम लोग को कैटलॉगिंग करना एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी रहेगी जो हमारा बैक ऑफिस पूरा करेगा. उसके लिए हम लोग की ये फीसेज रहेगी.
जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई, कौशिक जी ने 1000 रुपये महीना कह दिया है, वो 1000 रुपये साल है, नॉट इवन वर्क्स आउट 85 रुपीज अ मंथ.
Sorry. It is 85 rupees a month or 1000 rupees a year.
So मतलब इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे जो दर्शक है वो माइन्यूटली इस चीज को सुन रहे हैं और उन्होंने इस चीज को पॉइंट आउट भी किया. थैंक्स संजीव वालिया जी क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए. एक गलत मैसेज न जाता, आपने इसको यहाँ पे करेक्ट कराया. थैंक यू सो मच. और अभी वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आए हैं तो नवीन जी से मैं एक आखिरी सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा. सर आप इस मिशन पे काम कर रहे हैं, आप सब काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप इनिशियल नंबर्स बता पाएंगे हमें कि कितने नंबर्स के ई स्टोर आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं और कितना टाइम लग जाएगा? कुछ ऐसा चीज बता सकते हैं क्या?
सर शुरू तो हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि 1000 या 2000 भी आ गए तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, लेकिन अब जिस तरह से हम लोग को इसका रिस्पांस मिल रहा है हम लोग को लगता है कि हम लोग करीब 8 से 10,000 इस पे क्रॉस कर जाएंगे. इसमें ये मेंबरशिप चारों तरफ से हर स्टेट से बहुत बड़ा ह्यूज रिस्पांस मिल रहा है और हम लोग अपने टारगेट्स को 200% अचीव करके ऊपर जाएंगे। और इससे सभी स्टोर्स को फायदा होगा। बहुत नॉमिनल कॉस्ट है, कॉस्ट कुछ नहीं है और सबका, क्योंकि कोई भी, मैं भी अगर आज इतने साल में अपना ई स्टोर नहीं बना पाया, क्योंकि एक ई स्टोर बनाने में 40,000 रुपये लगते हैं और उसका इसको मेंटेन करने में मंथली कॉस्ट 20,000 रुपीज़ है। क्योंकि ई स्टोर जो हम लोग का है और जो किराना का भी अभी एक स्टोर आया है, तो उसमें क्या फ़र्क हो जाता है कि किराना में बिल्कुल फिक्स्ड आइटम है, वहाँ पे आइटम चेंज नहीं करती हैं। शायद आप 50 साल से वही आइटम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी आइटम तो 1 महीने रहेगी कि 2 महीने रहेगी, ये भी हमें नहीं पता है। तो हर ई स्टोर को रेगुलर करने में, अपडेट करने में, कैटलॉगिंग करने में बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत के कारण आज आईटी की किसी भी दुकानदार का अपना ई स्टोर नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो ये उनके लिए एक बहुत अच्छी बात है और हम लोग को टारगेट बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। हम लोग सोच रहे हैं 5 से 10,000 के बीच में इसमें आ जाएंगे, 10,000 पे क्रॉस करेगा सर।
डेफिनेटली सर, ये तो नंबर मेरे को लगता है जो कॉन्सेप्ट है आपका, जब अमेजोन और फ्लिपकार्ट और इन सब प्लेटफॉर्म पे इतना जो मार्जिन लेते हैं उसके बावजूद इतने नंबर्स हैं, तो आई एम श्योर कि जो आप लोगों ने कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है उससे इससे भी कहीं नंबर्स बढ़ेंगे जैसे जैसे इसका पता चलेगा लोगों का। अभी तो हो सकता है कि आपके पास लोकल एसोसिएशंस में मेंबर्स बनने शुरू होंगे, क्योंकि आपने जो पहली क्राइटेरिया यही रखी है कि मेंबर्स होने जरूरी हैं। यानी जो छोटे स्टोर हैं उनके लिए भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप मेंबर्स बन सकते हैं। लोकल एसोसिएशन को अप्रोच करो आप और मेंबर बनो और इस ई स्टोर को यूटिलाइज करो।
जी
ओके सर, सो अब हम लोग, टाइम हमारा ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका है और क्वेरीज भी हम लोगों ने काफी सारी ले ली हैं। और अब जाते जाते साइन ऑफ करने से पहले मैं जो फाइता के प्रेसिडेंट हैं उनसे एक क्विक मोटिवेशनल मैसेज चाहता हूँ। एक छोटा सा आप मैसेज अपने सारे पार्टनर्स को दें इस टफ टाइम से निकलने के लिए।
देखिए, the only motivation which we have today is the opportunities coming. So opportunities हमारे साथ सामने से continuously जा रही है. It is the right time to grab those opportunities and start working on those opportunities to get back to the track as fast as possible. So जो कुछ भी ट्राई हम हमारे लेवल से कर रहे हैं उतना ही ट्राई आप आपके लेवल पे कर रहे हैं, और जो बेनिफिट इस मार्केट के शिफ्ट का, एक पैराडाइम शिफ्ट जो आ रहा है, वो पैराडाइम शिफ्ट क्या अपने लोकल लेवल पे लेने की कोशिश करें, जिसकी वजह से वी कैन रिवाइव एंड वी कैन even flourish in the coming days. That is what my message to the industry is.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Rajiv.
आई होप कि जो हमारे चैनल पार्टनर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही क्रूशियल मैसेज है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जो हमें देखना है आगे, और हमें मिलके एक साथ अपने आप को इस चैलेंज से निकाल के फिर उसी और कहीं उससे ज्यादा अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटीज और ग्रोथ पाथ पे लेके आना है जो कोविड से पहले का सिचुएशन था। थैंक यू सर फॉर द इनसाइट। देवेश सर, आप अगर जाते जाते हमारे ऑडियंस को एक छोटा सा मैसेज देके जाएं, क्योंकि आप लोग एसोसिएशंस के मेंबर हैं और आपकी बातों को, क्योंकि आप भले के लिए बोलते हैं और पूरे कम्युनिटी के लिए सोचते हैं, तो आपकी बातों को जरूर वो एज ए एडवाइस लेंगे। सो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Rajiv, very simple. Paita is going the right way to the right path. Have confidence. Paita will ensure your business is profitable and safe. Thanks, Rajiv.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Short and very effective message. Thank you so much. नवीन सर, आप भी जाते जाते अगर एक मैसेज दे जाएं अपने चैनल पार्टनर्स को जो कि आपको इतना फॉलो करते हैं और आपके एडवाइस को काफी सीरियसली लेते हैं, तो आप प्लीज।
सर, सबका साथ सबका विश्वास, पैटा पे विश्वास रखें। सब क्या, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं, और हाँ अगर उनको कहीं पर कोई दिक्कत है तो अपने एसोसिएशन को कंप्लेंट करें और एसोसिएशन हमारे पास आए। हम लोग उस वहाँ स्टेट की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी उसको दूर करने की, कंपनी हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हो, हम लोग उनके साथ हैं। और अपने एसोसिएशन के थ्रू अगर आएंगे तो हम लोग उनको जरूर सॉल्व करेंगे। सब मिल के काम करें। आईटी इंडस्ट्रीज आज बूम पर है और अभी आईटी इंडस्ट्री 6-7 महीना अभी इस साल पूरे बूम पे चलेगी, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, वर्क फ्रॉम होम सब के कारण अभी प्रोडक्ट्स की देखिएगा मार्केट में शॉर्टेज भी हो जाएगी। सप्लाई चेन स्लो है, डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है इस समय आईटी इंडस्ट्रीज में। तो सबको बहुत बहुत हम लोग आप उनके साथ हैं और हमेशा साथ रहेंगे सर, यही कह रहे हैं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स। बहुत ही मैसेज आप लोगों सब लोगों ने मैसेज दिया अपने पार्टनर्स को। आई एम श्योर कि जिन लोगों ने ये चीज या तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे या फेसबुक लाइव पे देखा है, उन्हें बहुत कुछ जाना होगा कि आप लोग क्या करने वाले हैं और आप लोग किस हद तक अपने सारे मेंबर्स के लिए खड़े हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच सर। इसी के साथ अब हमारा ये जो है ये प्रोग्राम कंक्लूड करने का टाइम आ गया है, लेकिन इससे पहले मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत थैंक्स करना चाहूंगा सर, क्योंकि नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कंक्लूड थर्ड सीरीज ऑफ डीटी बियॉन्ड द लॉकडाउन वेबिनार सीरीज। Every time we try to discuss the urgent needed issues related with channel business continuity when businesses are being allowed by the government after months of lockdown. But this discussion is very historic and very much important it was, as this will definitely help large number of partners starting their digital journey, which will boost their future business prospects. This discussion will not have been possible without support of FITA. I would like to thank you everyone, especially Kaushik ji, Devesh ji, and Naveen ji for taking out time and being part of DT Beyond the Lockdown webinar series. It was great chatting with you all. Please, I'll be expecting your feedback and valuable comments to bring this platform best use of all of us.
Thank you very much, Rajiv.
Thanks, Rajiv. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you.
So hope to see you all at next webinar, which is on how Indian gaming market will grow post lockdown. This is also a very important topic. हम लोग जल्दी मिलेंगे। आप लोगों को इसके रजिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में सारी जानकारी हमारे वेबसाइट्स के थ्रू मिल जाएगी और मेल के थ्रू मिल जाएगी। We will look forward to see you all next series of DT webinar. Till then, please take care of yourself and your family and stay safe. Thank you all. Thank you all, sir.
Thank you.